Come on an adventure with Magilu. She has a surprise for me and you. It's time to learn and to explore. You'll all know a lot more than before. Come on! I was just playing in this really cool park. I was waiting for you. I already know what we're going to learn and explore today. That's because the clue board told me. And we're going to learn about plants. All different types of plants. The clue board has told me so many cool facts. So, how about you go learn all the facts with the clue board and I'll see you later. Bye!
Well, hello everyone. How fun that you have all come to learn about plants. Do you know where a plant comes from? Well, plants come from a seed, which we either plant ourselves in a pot with soil, or from seeds that fall on the ground from other plants. Plants need 4 things to grow nice and strong. First, they need soil, where they get their nutrients from. Second, they need water. Third, they also need sunlight. And fourth, they need air. With these 4 things, a plant can grow nice and strong. Once the seed has been planted in the soil, it grows roots. And the roots are what help the plant absorb water and nutrients out of the soil. Then a stem grows above the soil. A stem carries all the nutrients from the roots to the leaves above the soil, and it gives the leaves the support they need to reach the sunlight. From the stem, leaves grow. There are many types of plants and they all have different types of leaves. The leaves catch the light from the sun. One of the other 4 things a plant needs to grow. If you look very closely, you see that the leaves have veins. These veins carry water and nutrients to all the parts of the leaves. Plants can grow outside, but also inside. Plants that grow inside can be made in greenhouses. These are very big houses where we can grow plants and give them everything they need to get strong. Would you like to join me and Magilu while we visit a greenhouse? Great! I will see you there.
Guys, look where we are. We're at Bonic Plants and they have greenhouses where all the plants live. Come on, let's go explore. Here at Bonic Plants, they first start with a small plant. Look, like this. And then they pop it in the soil. This helps the plant get all the nutrients it needs. Look, look, come closer. Shall we do another one? Do you know what I wonder? I wonder what these plants look like after they've had enough nutrients. Let's see if we can find them when they're all grown up. Come on! Look, it's the greenhouse. This is where all the plants come to get nice and strong before they get potted into their final pot. Look how many there are. Here in the greenhouse, they get all the light that they need because the roof is see-through, and they get all the soil they need, just like you saw them get it potted in. And they get all the water they need. Shall we go see if we can find the water machine? Come on! Wow! Come and look! Look how big this one is! And it has all different types of green. All plants are different, so they grow different, and they have different colors and different leaves. This one is really cool! Look at this plant. It has veins. Do you see that? Every plant has veins because with the veins they can capture all the nutrition they need. Just like we have veins in our bodies, they have veins. Do you remember the 4 things that plants need to grow? Water, air, light, and nutrition. I'm so excited! Come on, let's go explore. This is where the water comes out. The water fills up this entire container. This is where the plants get their water from. Remember that water is one of the 4 things that a plant needs to grow. Oh my goodness, guys! Do you know that there's this machine and it separates the plants depending on their size? Come on, let's go find it! Look guys, I'm getting the plants ready to go to their final home. This is so much fun! I've had such a great day in the greenhouse. Did you see all these plants? These plants have also finished their time in the greenhouse and now they're going to their final destination. They're all fully grown. Do you see that? Ready for their final pot plant. Shall we go see if we can find the perfect pot plant for this plant? Come on, come on! Guys, are you gonna help me find that pot? Come on! Look where we are! Do you remember when we spoke about the roots of the plants? The roots of the plants is what allows the plant to absorb the nutrients from the soil. Do you want to see this plant's roots? Come have a look. Wow! Look at this really big root and all these little ones. This is what helps the plant grow nice and strong and get all the nutrients it needs. Isn't that really cool? Look at all of these pot plants. They're all different colors. Do you want to learn some colors with me? Look, this is a blue pot plant. And this is a pink pot plant. And this one is an orange pot plant. Which pot plant do you like the best? Oh, I see so many pot plants over there. Should we go explore them together? Come on. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at all these pot plants. And this rhinoceros. Oh, wow. Look at this one. This one is really cool. Oh my goodness. Look at these elephant pot plants. They're all different colors. Yellow and green and purple. I think I want this one for that plant that we still needed to pot. Oh no! Look, there are more animal pot plants. Come on! Wow! Look at this giraffe. Look, you put the plant in here and then it grows. And this zebra and elephant, you know what? I want all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo. I'm just finished potting this plant. You know what? We haven't sang and danced the pot plant song. Come on, get on your feet. Look around and you will see flowers, plants and buzzing bees. Everything grows all around with roots all buried underground. The flowers grow from tiny seeds as long as it has
outdoors, the garden and outdoors.
Wow! I've had such a great day at building plants and learning how all the plants grow in a greenhouse. Anyways, I'll see you next time.